Welcome back. In today's guide, we are setting up a Kubernetes Gateway API using Traefik on a local kind cluster. To automate and expose KServe Inference Services to external systems, setting up a robust cluster gateway is essential. In modern Kubernetes environments, the Gateway API is the successor to the traditional Ingress API, offering more expressive, extensible, and role-oriented routing capabilities. We will install Traefik to handle all HTTP and HTTPS requests entering the cluster, and secure our endpoints using cert-manager to provision local SSL certificates. We will map standard web ports from our local host machine to the kind cluster nodes to facilitate seamless access. For HTTP, we'll map host port 8080 to node port 30080. For HTTPS, we'll map host port 8443 to node port 30443. We'll also configure a wildcard host name on docker.localhost and use a self-signed issuer. In this video, we will cover creating a kind cluster with extra port mappings, installing Traefik and its associated CRDs to act as the gateway, installing cert-manager to handle automatic certificate provisioning, and finally, deploying a sample web application to verify that our cluster gateway routes traffic correctly. Before we start, make sure you have the Helm CLI kube control, YAML processor YQ, and kind installed on your machine. To access services running in our kind cluster via localhost, we need to map the node ports exposed by Traefik to ports on our host machine. We do this by creating a kind configuration YAML file. In the configuration, we define extra port mappings for the control plane node, mapping container port 30443 to host port 8443 for TCP and container port 30080 to host port 8080, also for TCP. We then run the kind create cluster command using this configuration file. Let's move on to installing Traefik. Traefik is a modern edge router that intercepts and routes incoming requests to backend services. In our setup, it acts as the gateway for our Kubernetes Gateway API. First, we fetch the latest Traefik Helm chart and pull it locally. We then create a custom YAML configuration to override the default chart values. In this custom configuration, we enable the Kubernetes Gateway provider and explicitly allow cross-namespace routing. We also define our gateway listeners, a web listener on port 80 and a web secure listener on port 443 that uses our wildcard docker.localhost host name and references our TLS certificate. We configure the service type as node port and match the node ports to the ones we defined in our kind configuration. Finally, we install Traefik using the Helm upgrade command with our custom values. Next up is cert-manager, a native Kubernetes certificate management controller. We need it to automate creating and managing TLS certificates so workloads can serve requests securely over HTTPS. We start by fetching the cert-manager Helm chart. We then create a custom YAML configuration where we enable the installation of CRDs directly alongside the Helm chart, which is convenient for local development. Crucially, we add an extra argument to enable Gateway API support inside cert-manager. Then we install it using Helm upgrade. To verify the installation, we can use kube control to get the CRDs and ensure the cert-manager pods are up and running in their namespace. With cert-manager installed, we can establish an issuer and generate our localized TLS certificate in the Traefik namespace. First, we create a self-signed issuer by applying a simple YAML configuration that defines an issuer kind with a self-signed spec. Next, we specify a certificate kind in another YAML file. We tell it to use our self-signed issuer to mint a wildcard certificate for docker.localhost and store it in a secret named docker-localhost-TLS. We apply this configuration using kube control as well. You can then verify the certificate status to ensure it becomes ready. To ensure your local web browser routes requests correctly to the kind network, You'll need to update your operating system's hosts file. Simply add an entry mapping the local loop back address 127.0.0.1 to both docker.localhost. To validate our setup, let's deploy a lightweight Nginx web application. We'll apply 4 components located in our web app directory. First, a config map that stores our website's simple HTML content. Second, a deployment that spins up an Nginx pod and mounts our HTML from the config map. Third, a service of type cluster IP that exposes our Nginx pod internally. And fourth, the critical piece, an HTTP route. This gateway API resource tells Traefik that any traffic matching the host name webapp.docker.localhost and the route path prefix should be forwarded to our Nginx service on port 80. We apply all these configurations to an MLOps namespace using kube control. Now it's time to test. Open your browser and navigate to http://webapp.docker.localhost:8080. You should see our sample web app page. Next, test the secure route by navigating to https://webapp.docker.localhost:8443. Because we are using a self-signed certificate, your browser will show a security warning. Simply bypass it to proceed and view the secure page. And that's it. We've successfully bootstrapped a cluster gateway using Traefik and cert-manager via the modern Kubernetes Gateway API on a local kind cluster, and verified both HTTP and HTTPS routing. Your cluster is now ready to expose complex MLOps workloads externally. Join us in the next guide where we'll explore how KServe takes advantage of this gateway infrastructure. Thanks for watching.